All right, what's up, guys? We got the formerly abandoned Kubota Excavator behind us. We need to get in here, change the final drive gear oil. Let's check it out. All right, so here's the excavator track right here. We got the final drives right here. Big old sprocket around there. When I bought this thing, I took a look at those sprockets. I was like, somebody changed those. Those look way too new to have, you know, over 5,000 hours on the thing. But got to inspecting it a little further, and I started seeing stuff like this. The nameplate's painted over. So these things have been refurbished, both of them. But we need to change the oil in here. So on this one, it's a KX161-3S Super Series. You got your drain right there. You have your oil level right here. And then we have the vent and fill right here. What do you think about that right there? Look at that. Huh? Nice little drain catch. So guys, never do this. It's kind of out of sight, out of mind, but it's super important. You know, thing weighs 12,000 pounds, and each motor is supposed to pull 6,000 pounds forward, so they gotta be in tip-top shape. Oh yeah. It's not too bad, but that's not the drain. It looks like it's overfilled. That should be the sight glass. Well, the level mark should be, you know, it should just run out a little bit, couple drips or something. Oh, it stinks. So a tip for working on these, I will tell y'all, is what you're gonna want to do is replace the O-rings on these seals, man. And then another thing you're gonna want to do is hammer this bit in there, get it all the way in there before you impact it, because you got problems. Get all the dirt out of there so you get a good bite. Yuck. Honestly, it's not that bad. I thought it'd be worse. So I don't know why guys don't do this. You know, gear oil's not supposed to be black. It's not really even supposed to be colored, but this hadn't been changed in a while, obviously. You know, almost 6,000 hours on this machine. How many times do you want to bet this thing's been changed? All right, so I got the O-ring swapped out. Got my O-ring kit here. Figured out what O-ring it was for y'all. It is metric JISB P14 NBR90. Here it is right here, P14, 90 Dura hardness. Same thing. So it's looking pretty good. I think I'm gonna tilt the machine up. That way we can get all the rest of it out, because it's kind of on a slope here. So guys, never do this. You know, it's out of sight, out of mind, but those final drives are not cheap. So we got to maintain them as best we can. So I got the stuff from Walmart. When we get in there, we're going to fill it up with this, cycle it through, you know, and then we're going to drain it later on, and we're going to put the best stuff possible in there. Probably synthetic. That way it flushes all the old gear oil out. Got it about as level as I could. We got some Super Tech. Oh, please don't make me cut. Yep, we gotta cut it. So we fill it in the top hole right here. It's gonna come out the middle hole when it's full. That's the plan anyways. So I looked up the specs. This thing takes like almost a quart, so almost this whole bottle. And yeah, there's no way there's a whole bottle right there, but I didn't see any leaks. So we're gonna get this thing filled up here without spilling it all over the place. There we go, it is full, it is running out there. I got this thing pretty level, you know, it should be pretty accurate, but we just need to put the plugs back in and we are done. All right, so this side's done right here. So taking a look at these O-rings, these aren't NBR 90, these are definitely softer. These are definitely like NBR 70, so someone's definitely been in here. This is definitely a refurbished unit because the original ones are supposed to be harder than this, so that just adds to my theory even more. So come over here. I've been draining this one. You can see the oil's the same. There's no metal in there, you know, it's got a good oil level. So this motor gear drive side is fine. The problem with it on the hydraulic side, which is good, bad news. But we gotta top this one off. But that's good, the gears in there are good. It had good oil in there. Oh yeah. So that's it for the video. If y'all enjoyed this, drop me a huge thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Kubota excavator videos in the future because I got plenty more coming. Later.